Innovation defines OPPO, and they have done it again with the masterpiece that is the OPPO Reno12 Pro, your everyday AI companion. This amazing smartphone boasts a ton of AI features, literally in every aspect of this smartphone. And so, we are here to unbox it. Let's go ahead and explore all the game-changing AI capabilities it offers. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gadgets 360. Let's jump in. Now that the unboxing of the OPPO Reno12 Pro is done, it is time to talk about the key features. Let's move forward with the camera and its AI capabilities. Let's go out and see all the amazing features it offers. Let's see the specs first. The Reno12 Pro boasts a versatile camera system featuring a powerful 50 megapixel Sony LYT 600 primary sensor for stunning detail, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing expansive scenes, and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera for impressive zoomed-in shots. And for capturing your best self, you get a high-resolution 50 megapixel front camera. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, AI. The Reno12 Pro is packed with intelligent features. But for now, let's focus on the key camera AI upgrades that truly elevate your photography. But for now, let's go outside and test the amazing features of this smartphone. Got a perfect snapshot ruined by an unwelcome guest? Don't worry. OPPO's AI Eraser 2.0 works like magic. This intelligent tool needs just one tap to do its job. It boasts a brainy AI that's learned from millions of pictures. It fills the gaps so smoothly, it makes pro editing look amateur. Now, that's impressive. Blurry faces in your group selfies got you down? The Reno12 Pro solves this headache. It spots how many people are in your picture and switches to the best mode. But hold on, there's a cherry on top. After you snap that photo, pop over to your album and unleash AI Clear Face. This nifty trick taps into the phone's AI smarts to jazz up facial features, and we are talking about crisper outlines, hair and eyebrows for up to 10 people in one go. And that's not all. Say goodbye to those blink and you miss it moments. Reno12 Pro's AI Best Face uses clever tech to detect closed eyes in the group photos using something called AIGC. Fancy AI stuff. It can fix those blinks and deliver perfect group pics every single time. So, no more retakes needed. AI Studio's cutting-edge Gen AI tech lets you create unique avatars and profile pictures in countless styles. Plus, you can share a special link with your friends, no matter what phone they have. To create a group AI photo together, it's a fun and interactive way to express yourselves in the digital world. Forget about airbrushing apps. Reno's 12 Pro 50 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus and portrait mode takes natural looking portrait perfection to a whole new level. OPPO's advanced AI goes even deeper, recognizing and enhancing up to 296 facial features in real time for flawless selfies. The Reno12 Pro's camera uses AI to adjust exposure for each scene. This means more realistic lighting effects and natural skin tones for everyone in your selfies and group shots. No matter the background, your selfies will look amazing thanks to natural tone technology that detects skin tones, buildings, and ambient lighting. The OPPO Reno12 Pro doesn't just look stunning, it's built tough too. This phone takes drops and bumps very seriously, earning a prestigious SGS certification with its premium performance 5-star multi-scene protection. Available in stunning sunset gold and space brown, the Reno12 Pro boasts a sleek profile at just 7.4mm thin and a feather lightweight of only 180 grams. This phone is built to withstand the elements. The Reno12 Pro comes with IP65 rating, wherein critical components like ports, speakers and the SIM card tray are all specially reinforced for enhanced water protection. It's a phone that can keep up with your active lifestyle no matter where you take it. This phone comes with Splash Touch technology that allows the screen to function correctly even when the screen or the user's hand are wet. The OPPO Reno12 Pro takes immersion to a whole new level with its stunning 6.7-inch quad-curved infinite view display. This expansive AMOLED panel boasts a smooth 120Hz refresh rate that dynamically adjusts between 60, 90 and 120Hz for optimal performance and battery life. But it's not just about the refresh rate. The full HD Plus resolution delivers sharp visuals, while the 20:9 aspect ratio creates a truly cinematic viewing experience. And now, let's talk about the brightness. The Reno12 Pro cuts through glare with a peak brightness of 1200 nits outdoors, reaching an incredible 1500 nits locally. Plus, HDR10 and HDR10 Plus support ensure vibrant colors and deep blacks for stunning visual quality. And now, finally, the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 provides peace of mind, offering enhanced surge and drop resistance for this gorgeous display. With the OPPO Reno12 Pro, you are guaranteed a breathtaking, durable and immersive visual experience. Its 300% volume modes gives you bigger and bolder sound, enhancing the entertainment quotient even further. The Reno12 Pro runs on the all-new ColorOS 14.1. Based on Android 14, it's not just an operating system, it's an experience. ColorOS 14.1 is designed to be beautiful, secure and productive. It also features many AI features that make it super useful. And now, let's talk about them. With added support from Gemini, the new AI Toolbox recommends AI features based on what you are doing on your phone. Now, that's going to save you some time and effort. Do you want your next social media post to go viral? AI Writer is your go-to feature. It can come up with the most refined and creative write-ups, comments and captions for you. As you browse articles online, AI Speak and AI Summary will make it easy for you to swiftly grasp the core of any story.
OPPO Reno12 5G series with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy SoC.
The OPPO Reno12 Pro introduces the AI Record Summary feature in its Recordings app, designed to capture useful summaries from audio content. It utilizes OPPO's Gen AI technology. Currently, the AI Recording Summary supports speech-to-text conversion in languages including Hindi and English, accommodating up to 45,000 characters per summary. After recording a meeting interview or voice notes, you can export these summaries directly to Notes app. Useful details like to-do lists, timestamps and locations are highlighted for easy readability and organization. Want to save an image, text or file very quickly? Just drag it into FileDock. Now you can quickly access it from another app. FileDock syncs across your ColorOS 14 phone and tablet. With the OPPO Reno12 Pro Smart Touch, you can finally capture those elusive images and text that once slipped through your digital fingers. All you need is a 3-finger swipe down to capture a screenshot, and after this, you just need to select the extract content. Now, let's come to the performance of this smartphone and the different aspects that take it a notch above its competitors. The OPPO Reno12 Pro proudly introduces the groundbreaking MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy for Reno mobile platform. This innovative SoC is meticulously crafted on the cutting-edge 4nm process, promising unparalleled power efficiency. The ColorOS Trinity engine maximizes the potential of the Dimensity 7300 energy or Reno platform by efficiently managing computing resources, memory, and storage. It features 3 custom designed engines that enhance system fluidity and reliability across various aspects of the user experience. No signal? No need to worry. Beacon Link improves Bluetooth uplink capability by 300%. Allowing device-to-device voice calls over Bluetooth within a range of up to 30 meters, even in the disconnected environments. Whether it's a flight or a remote location with no network coverage, Beacon Link helps you stay connected with near and dear ones. Ever wish that your phone could hush the noise around you during calls? AI Clear Voice on the OPPO Reno12 Pro can do this very easily. When using the phone's earpiece speaker, AI filters out the background noise and making sure your conversation stays crystal clear. The cutting-edge AI Link Boost communication technology in the Reno12 Pro enhances signal reception and optimizes network selection through a system-level AI model. The Reno12 series has become the first smartphone series to receive the High Network Performance certification from TÜV Rheinland, demonstrating their exceptional network experience in all tested scenarios, including smarter network selection when using dual SIMs and faster transmission speed in extremely crowded locations with busy network, faster signal recovery while exiting spaces with weak signals, and much more. Say goodbye to your battery woes with the OPPO Reno12 Pro. It comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery and an 80-watt SUPERVOOOC charger that charges at a lightning fast speed. Go from 1% to 100% charge in just 46 minutes. The battery life of this phone makes it a hands-down winner. Lasts over 2 days when in use and up to 25 days on standby. Yes, you heard that right. And wait, there's more. This super durable battery life will perform just as efficiently even after 4 years. The OPPO Reno12 Pro is a powerhouse of storage with 12GB RAM and 256 and 512GB storage, allowing seamless multitasking, high-performance gaming, a huge collection of apps, storing high-resolution images and videos, and much more. If you want to take your smartphone game a notch above and need an AI companion in your life, then go for OPPO Reno12 Pro. With an attractive design, solid build, AI features in every aspect of the phone, and a brilliant battery life, this smartphone is a complete package that is hard to miss. And it's not just a flagship-grade smartphone, but your truly everyday AI companion too. The OPPO Reno12 Pro is priced at 36,999 rupees for 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant and will go on sale starting 18 July. This device will be available across Flipkart, mainline retail outlets. There are also numerous exciting offers running that are mentioned in the description down below. And that's all from us. Stay tuned to watch our next review video on the Reno12.